Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about method in C#.NET. So here I write the point method in C#.NET. In other language like C, C++, VB.NET, etc. we can define global functions that are not associated with particular class. So in C, C++, .NET, VB.NET, nothing inside in the class, and here in C#.NET, so everything method and everything inside the class, and a class is a self-contained block of blocks, so it's a self-contained blocks. Subprograms are more one of more statements that will perform a special task when it called. So inside the class you can find the method also, subprograms and block of statements. And about the method, a method is a code block that contains a series of statements. So it's a series of statement and a statement executed by calling the method. So a statement execute when we are calling the method. So this is a syntax of method here: access modifier, public, private, protected, return type, void, int, or float any data type. Method name you can give here, parameter list. So this is optional you can give, and this is the method body. So let's understand the method by example. So here inside program class, going to create method of public, void, and here method name giving sum. So see at here, if I'm not going to include access specifier, so let's execute. So at here, no any error I got. So you can give or you can not give. It's your chance. And hereafter, right here I'm going to take integer variable int a, comma b, comma c. Now hereafter writing console class dot write line method. So at here going to write at here enter two numbers. So first is for a equal to int dot parse console dot read line, and hereafter b equal to int dot parse console dot read line. Now hereafter let's do add operation, c equal to a plus b, and hereafter console class dot write line method here sum equal to c. So this is the method at here method. So this is the block of a statement, and let's go inside the main method. So here I'm going to create the object of program class p1 equal to new program, and p1 that called a sum method, and hereafter console dot readline. So let's execute the code. So I enter the two numbers. So first I'm going to enter 7 here, 6. 7 plus 6, the value comes 18. So by using method we add two numbers at here. So this is sum. Here you can give any parameter. I will show you in upcoming or later. And hereafter this is a method body. Here I did the block statement. And let's understand how the program works. So if you debug the code, control comes to main method. Hereafter, I create the object of program class p1. Here p1.sum. So this called by the help of p1 object that called a sum method. So hereafter control comes to this point. So sum that receive hereafter that go inside. So right here I have taken three integer variable abc console dot write time. So this display into the output skip and whatever I am going to enter so that receive by a and b. And hereafter if I suppose if I enter a value at here 7 and b value at here 6. 7 plus 6 the value come 13. Console dot write time sum equal to 13 that display. So here some method part has been over. So now that back here console.return. So this take one input from keyword and terminate the output. This is the first example of method in C#.NET. So in method you can give parameter as well. So first I'm going to delete this one. So it's not required. And here this one as well. So this is a method public void sense. So here I'm going to give two parameters. You can give one parameter, two parameter according to programming requirement. So here I have taken two parameter. Now here after writing console class dot writeLine method. So right here sum equal to p plus q. Now hereafter let's go inside main method. So right here I'm going to create program class object p1 equal to new program, and here p1 dot sum. So this time we need to pass the two parameter values of the p and q. So right here I'm going to enter 12 here 7. So this is the simplest code, very short code to add two numbers by using method. So let's execute and check. So at here sum equal to 19. 12 7 at here 19, that's display. So getting the expected output. So let's understand how the program works. So if you debug the code, control comes to main method. Here after that coincides. So at here I created program class object p1. So p1.sum. So that called sum method. So at here that control comes to this time. So at here p value is now 12, key value 7. So hereafter that coincides. So at here console.write. So this display into the output scheme, and here p plus q. 12 plus 7 19. So sum equal to 19 that display. So if some part has been over, some method has been part over. So right here some method part has been over. So now control back to this point here console.readline. So this take one input from keyword and terminate the output. So if you give at here include one more r. So if I'm going to execute, so at here I'm getting the error because at here this has two parameter or two argument at here. So at here I included all three. So these two here sum and here this sum. So these two must be matching. So if you give two parameter at here, so you have to include two parameter. So if you are going to build the solution, so see at here no any error. So this is the second example of method to add two numbers. Now hereafter I'm going to show you the third ways to add two numbers. So at here this is not required, and here I'm going to remove the parameter. So in place of void you can include integer, float, double, whatever. So I included at here integer. So at here this also not required. So since I included at here integer, so we need to give at here return of value. So if you include integer double, so you should use return keyword also. So let's see. So at here I'm going to take integer variable a, b, and here console dot write line at here enter two numbers. So at here a equal to int dot parse console dot read line. Here b equal to int dot parse console dot read line. Now hereafter let's use return keyword return, so that return a plus b value. Now hereafter let's go insert main method. So at here I'm going to create the object of program class p1 by using new keyword program. Now hereafter taking integer variable c and here c that call p1 sum method, and here let's use console dot write line and here sum equal to plus c that display. So this is the code to add two numbers. So this time using int. Yeah. So let's execute a check. So enter two numbers. So at here I'm going to enter 7 and 4. So 7 plus 4, the value come 11. So this is the third ways to add two numbers in C#.NET. So let's understand the code. So at here, if when you debug the code, control comes to main method. Here after that coincides. So at here I created p1 object of program class, and here c int c equal to p1 dot sum. So p1 object that called sum method. So here after that control comes to this point. Here I have taken two integer variable ab. So this display into the output scheme and here what I'm going to enter, so that is set by a and b. So a value I enter at here 7 and b value I'm going to enter at here 4. So hereafter return a plus b. So 7 plus 4, the value come 11. So this value is now at here 11. So this return 11. Now hereafter control back to this point. So this value is now 11. So this value 11 at here. So 11 go to c and hereafter console dot write line. So sum equal to c value is now 11. So that display. And hereafter console dot return. So this take one input from keyword and terminate the output scheme. Now hereafter I am going to show you the fourth way to add two numbers. So right here this is not required, and here I am going to pass the parameter. So at here I am going to pass the parameter int pu and int q. Now hereafter that coincides, so at here return p plus q value. Now hereafter create the object, and here going to take integer variable int a comma b comma c. Now hereafter console dot write line. So and here enter two number. So this are displayed into the output scheme. Here a equal to int dot parse console dot read line. Now hereafter b equal to int dot parse console dot read line. Now hereafter c equal to that called p1 object dot operator sum method. So at here we need to pass a or b, and here after console dot write line. So we need to write sum equal to and here plus the value of c. So this is the code to add two numbers. So this time using here int and return, and this is the fourth base. So let's execute the code. So enter the two numbers. So I enter 6 here, 3. So 6 plus 3, the value comes 9. And let's understand how the program works. So if you debug the code, control comes to main method. Hereafter, that goes inside. So at here I created program class object p1 by using new keyword. Hereafter, taken three integer variable abc. So this are displayed into the output screen console.writeline. And here whatever I'm going to enter, so that receive by a and b. So at here I'm going to enter a value 6 and b value at here 3. Now hereafter c equal to p1 dot sum. So a at here 6, b at here 3. So p1 object that called sum method. So hereafter control comes to this point. So at here p receive at here 6 here, or this receive 3. So at here that go inside return p plus q. So 6 plus 3 the value come 9. So 9 return. So hereafter that go back. So this value is now at here 9. So 9 go to C, and hereafter console.writeline sum equal to, so that print value of 9. Hereafter that take one input for Q and terminate the output. So these are the things. So one more thing in a method. So if you include at your float and let's execute the code. So at here I'm getting the error message. The reason of error message is since at here this value is now b value is integer. See, this is integer and here this is float. So this one is b and here q both are not matching. So that at here I'm getting the error. So at here when I include at here integer, so now the error odd. So let's execute. So at here type must be same. And here you can give any name like q1. So this should be optional. You can give any name. And so if you give at your q1, so you have to include q1 also. So now that error out. So this is the basic or important things about method. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So if you have any doubt related to this, so leave it comment. Definitely I will reply. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.